hallelujah. Halle, hallelujah. Halle, hallelujah. Halle, hallelujah. It's been long, it's true, since I had a talk with you. So I had to take this time to be alone with you, because all my blessings come from you. Hey. All my life I done they follow you. When I'm caught up in the money and the fame, you still bless me anyway. May I forgive the most I praise, for the air I breathe, for the rivers and trees. Oh yeah. May I forgive the most I praise, for the air I breathe, oh, for the rivers and trees. And that's what me sing, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I've been on the roads, in the water with no boat, I don't even know. Now I managed to float. When you know be saying I me, we holy the most. I'm say love you so. So I wonder why you still bless me, and I feel like I don't know you. I get like I don't know you. I'm saying forgive me, Father, when I get like I don't know you. I get like I don't know you. Oh, thank God, God no be man, oh. Cause if God be man, oh, I for done die, yeah. I for done pay me, oh. Thank God, God no be man, oh. Cause if God be man, oh, I for done die, oh. I for done pay me, oh. So me sing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Thank God for all you is. Thank God for Shadawale. Thank God for Movie Boot. Thank God for Nana. Thank God for my mama. Thank God for my papa. Thank God for Shalala. Thank God for Ricky. Thank God for Montana. Thank God for Tusa. Thank God for Ohene. Thank God for Gucci. Thank God for Izo. Thank God for Picasso. Thank God for Gucci. Thank God for One Way. Thank God for Rem. Thank God for Cambo. I know say he by your side. Thank God for my wifey. Thank God for my wifey. Thank God for everything. Thank God for everything. Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
All right. What's up, team? Everybody drop some sevens if you're ready. Drop some 777s. All right. Looks like you guys are ready. If you guys don't know who I am, Filthy Pips in the house. Your host with the most. I'm not even teaching today. Today is going to be Trap Kings Day. So, you guys, as you guys can see, I am filthy right here. Called this Measured Move on London last night. If you're not already on our London sessions, you need to be on our London sessions because we catch moves like this. And Trap Kings ain't over something that he has not taught yet. He's been just teaching you guys engulfing traps, so I don't even know what he's going to go over, but Trap King, it's all you. Take it away, bro.
Oh, let's go. Let's make it happen. All right, everybody, type your numbers. How much you want to have in your account by the end of this year, by the end of 2019. Fill this chat up. Max this place. I want you all to max this Zoom up. I want this Zoom to be filled up with people. Come on, man. Let's make it.
Doug is at the bank. Is Doug at the bank? Looks like Doug is at the bank. Cashing out his money.
You already know. Let's make it happen. Team. Type your numbers. Woo, let's go. It's about to get late. All right, guys. My name is Anthony, also known as the Trap King, all the way from Nigeria. All right, and what I'm about to go over tonight is something very powerful. All right, a lot of people have been waiting, but it's about time to make it happen. All right, so right now, I'm going to share my screen. Hussein, you there?
Yes.
Hussein, yeah. All right, I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna send you a chat. I'm gonna send you a message on Telegram. All right, so you can know what to do next when I say so. Okay, so let's make it happen. So, guys, what I'm going to be talking about today is I'm going to talk about Fibs. I'm going to talk about Fibonacci. Now, a lot of people, when they go into the forex market, when they look at the Fibonacci tool, they're like, okay, some people don't know that Fibonacci cannot be drawn until you have swing points. Now, before you draw a Fibonacci, you should have a swing point. You should have a swing high. You should have a swing low. If you do not have a swing high or a swing low, then drawing a Fibonacci becomes absolutely useless. What is the definition of a swing high? A swing high is where you have, for instance, look at this part, look at here, this part I'm showing you all here. All right. Now, this is the highest point here. You want to have two candles to the left, which are lower than this high point, and two candles to the right, which are lower than this high point. And then you're going to go all the way down and look for the swing low. You see this low point? You want to see two candles to the left higher and two candles to the right higher. Now, when you see something like this, okay, you will then pull out your Fibs, because now what is market? This is an impulse move down. So you're going to draw your Fibs from the high all the way down to the low, all the way down to the low. If you do not know how to draw Fibs, that is exactly how you draw Fibs. And then you wait for the market within the 50 and the 618. Now, I do not consider 382 as a retracement level. I do not take trades of the 382, even though if you turn your Fibs to the reverse, it is also a 61.8. All right, I like to take my market of the 50 and of the 618. But anyways, that's not what I'm going to talk about tonight. I'm going to talk about something else. Guys, a lot of you all know, you guys have read quarter theories, how it works, how if you have to pick up a range, you look for 1,000 pip range within certain whole numbers, and then you divide it into 4 places, and then it creates 4 quarters in the market. But now, what I'm going to show you now, okay, I'm going to do it using just Fibs. Just Fibs. So the first thing I'm going to do, all right, is Fibonacci whole numbers. We have 0, and then we have 1. Look at my screen. We have 0, and then we have 1. Now, if you have to take from 0 to 1, and you want to make it a quarter, what is a quarter of 1? Can somebody type it in the chat? What is a quarter of 1? I want to communicate. What is a quarter of 1? A quarter of 1.
25.
A quarter. 25? 0.25, you mean? Uh-oh. Very well, very well, very well. I like that. I like that. Now, 0.25 is a quarter of 1. Now, half of 1 is 0.5. 3/4 of 1 is 0.75. And then we have the whole number, which is 1. Now, if you look at my Fibonacci on my screen, all right? If you look at my Fibs on my screen, that's exactly what I have here. 25, 0.5, and 0.75. But guess what I'm about to do? Now, each of these levels here, each of these quarters here, all right, I am going to divide them into quarters again. Now, can somebody pick out your calculator and tell me, what is a quarter of 0.25? What is a quarter of 0.25? Somebody talk to me. A quarter of 0.25. A quarter of 0.25. Ooh, uh-oh. 0.125, 6.25. Come on, guys. A quarter of 0.25. 0.05? Oh, shit. Damn. You all don't know how to count, but you guys want to make money? I'm very sure you guys know how to count. Thank you, Richard. Thank you. 0.0625. Now, that is a quarter of 0.25. All right? Now, look at this. Look at what I'm about to do. And I'm going to share this with you, and I want you guys to follow me closely. You see my Fibonacci? You see my Fibonacci numbers? I am going to click all of this, and I want you all to take a screenshot because something is about to go down. Take a screenshot of what I am doing on my screen. Take a screenshot of my Fib levels. All right? Take a screenshot of my Fib levels. All right? And I'm going to do okay. Now, that's it. Now, you all see what I have on my screen. It looks messy, right? It looks messy. All right, no problems. It looks messy. I like it. Now, we're going to switch over to the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, that's the highest I can see. On TradingView, we're going to go for monthly time frame. Now, check this out. What I'm showing you right now, I ended from the master himself. The master has no other person in this world has started this stuff apart from the master. He's the only person that has started this stuff. And he did it once. And I had to make it my own. Now, I was talking about swing points, putting out your fibs. All right? Now, follow me. This is my swing high, and this is my swing low. Now, I'm going to take out that same Fibonacci. That same fib, that same Fibonacci. And I'm going to draw it all the way from, all the way from the high. This is the highest point. Well, anyway, these are the highest points anyway. Down to the low. One of the people that I know will be able to relate to what I'm about to do right now is Dog. He's going to be able to relate. But trust me. Now, see what I have just done. Now, guys, what I have just done now, I have pulled out my Fibonacci from the high to the low. Now, what I want to do next is I want to mark up this chart using Fibs. I want you guys to watch, take out your notepads and watch what I'm doing. I'm not going to say anything while I'm doing it, but the moment I am done, I will start talking and I will explain what I just did. But I want you guys to watch. Something is about to happen. All right? Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment.
All right, yeah. Now what?
Productions.
Help me spread this message like Globacom. Make nobody come here, they come the phone. I know say no be everybody follow come. I know be every so be silicon. Make them no come they wash you. And make you do exactly what you want to. Make you no say I don't tell you. Make you know the devil come to use you. But if I tell you say I love you, I beg you no go turn me to your move. That time 30 billion no go do you. That time make you walk no go see you. And if I start to distress you, let me know because I know want to vex you. But I'm lying, now only you will know you. The same time you go do a thing in favor of you. I love my so make we do the thing, make we do the live show. I love my YouTube. So just be living your life. life show. If body they hot you drink water, don't come they form like the butter. Because I know you know say I know you. I know be every dressing go feed you. Make you know make me mad, attentiveness for my mother. I know fit holla, I know fit shout, I know I make Jamie and you them talk about. And if I tell you say I like you, I beg you no let Shakara come they kill you. That time 30 billion no go do you. That time Medu Moga no go see you. And if I start to distress you, let me know because I know want to vex you. But I'm lying, now only you will know you. The same time you go do a thing will favor you. So make we do the thing, make we do the live show. So just believe in your life and do the thing, live show. So make we do the thing, make we do the live show. So just believe in your life and do the thing, live show. Make you check yourself before you go to do what thing go catch you. Cause I don't try for your matter, make you do the pass you. Cause I go do my own, you go do your own. Anything where remain, my bone we go bone. Cause life is too short for debating. Levels too pure for you now waiting. So make we do the thing, make we do the live show. So just be your life and do the thing, live show. Live show.
Oh, damn, I love Africa. Anyway, I'm African. What do you expect? Okay, now. Let's do this. All right, now, look at this. Matter of fact, I'm going to explain while I'm doing it. As a matter of fact. All right, if you know you're ready for what's about to happen, type some one in the chat. I want to see one in the chat. One's all over the chat. If you're ready for what's about to happen, one, everywhere in the chat. If you're ready for what's about to happen, man, my people are hungry. Come on, man. One, all of the chat, go. One. Woo! I love it. I love this. Oh, Cali Angel is on this call. Oh my goodness. Man, legend all over the place. On this call? All right, let's go. All right, now, check this out. Now, I'm going to delete this. Now, if you were following me, all right, you noticed that I drew Fibs. I went to the monthly time frame, and I drew the Fibs from this high point, all the way down to this low point. That's how I drew the Fibs. Now, I'm going to expand my screen because there's something that I want to do. Now, I'm going to take two vertical lines because I like for those people that have actually seen my chart, you guys know my chart is very, very neat. It's what I want to do. I want to do something like this. You don't necessarily need to do that anyway, but I'm doing it for a reason. Now I'm going to pull out Fibs, and I'm going to mark it zone by zone. Zone by zone. Zone by zone. Watch. It doesn't make sense now, but when I'm done, it's going to make sense. It's going to make sense. Why do we like boxing it up? Because that's what we do. We trap the market. I am the trap king. I have never taught this thing before. This is my first time. So guys, if you're on this call, congratulations. Now, you see this fib level? Let me pull this image to you. Let me pull it inside here. I draw my fib all the way from 1 to this next level here. To this next level. Remember, the first thing we did was we broke the market, the Fibonacci's into quarters. And after breaking it into quarters, each quarter was broken into its own quarter. All right, that's how we came about these numbers. So now I do this. See what I did here? I do this box to cover this quarter. I'm going to take out another fib. Now I'm going to draw it like this. I just hope you guys will be able to pick up your brains when I'm done. Let's go. Now, you see what I'm doing? I am marking up zone to zone. Watch what I'm doing. You guys, follow me closely. This one, look at how I marked it. I marked just this. But this next one, this was a combination of two fibs. So I marked it in this form. Doesn't make sense now, but it's going to make sense when I'm done. So we go down to the next level. To the next level. Something is about to happen. The same thing I did up, I'm going to do it again here. Okay. I take my fibs. I go down to the next level. Now, Ryan Brown was saying something yesterday. It was saying something. Oh, anyway, it's morning here in Nigeria. Ryan Brown said something on Friday. He said, if you can stick to one pair, the master keeps saying this over and over. And guys, anytime I say the master, I'm referring to Wright because he's the master. Now, he keeps saying it. If you can focus on one pair, your life is going to change. Ryan Brown said it again yesterday, and I was like, woo, somebody's listening. Let's do this. Let's do this. For those of you who do not know who I am, you're about to know me. Let's do this. You see what's happening? You see how I'm taking the fibs from level to level? Watch, the market moves in levels. I'm going to do this again. Remember, we're on the monthly time frame. How does it feel you mark your chart once and you don't have to mark it again? How does it feel? Let's do this. Ooh, Ryan Brown is on this call? My man. Sheesh. That's a legend there. Guys, what we're about to do with the Forex market, they haven't seen it coming. Follow me. And for those of you, if you know you're not on Hussein's London calls, well, I'm sorry for your loss. Because that's easy money my boy is giving out there. Easy money. Easy money. For those of you that do not even know how to trade, that's easy money he's giving out there. But then, have at the back of your mind, he's just giving you trade ideas. He's not telling you to take those trades. He's giving you his own trade ideas. He's taking them. He's not asking you to take them. The moment you pull your trigger, it means you took them at your own risk. What if we showed you how to trade? What if we showed you how to trade? What if we showed you how to...
Before you
Yes,
go
sir.
on, I just want to tell everybody something. People are wondering, why is this guy taking so long to mark up these zones? But you got to understand that the chart is like art. It's not going to be 5 seconds analysis and then that's it. Doug takes his precious time on his charts. He literally falls in love with his charts. Trap King is, look how artistic he is with these charts. So you want to be like that too. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yeah, they got to know that. It doesn't make sense right now. But when I'm done, something is going to happen in this call. And I'm going to mute everybody. Woo. Yeah. Something is going to happen on this. Just watch. I want you guys to follow closely. Follow what I'm doing closely. Don't get distracted. Turn off the TV.
While you're doing that, I'm going to shout some people out. What's up, Alex?
Yes, sir.
My boy Alex, one of my best. What's up, Eris? What's up, Angel? What's up, Brent?
You mean Eris is on this call?
Yes, Eris is
Woo! My man. Eris is on this call?
So shout out to Doug.
That's my man.
Shout out to Ryan, Legends.
Ooh. Boys are on this call. Damn. Guys, they don't call me the Trap King for no reason.
Kunle, one of the most consistent students I've ever seen.
He's on this call?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kunle, we're supposed to meet up. We just got to meet up because I like your zeal. I like willingness to get this stuff together. I really am impressed. We just got to meet up. I'm glad you're learning. You're learning quick. So team,
Trap Team, before you go on, I just realized we got some of the best traders in California on this call.
On this call?
Yeah.
California. Are you kidding me right now?
Taking over, man. Taking
over.
Woo!
Damn.
Carly's taking over.
Carly's taking over? Man, I'm coming to California, man. I must be in California. Damn.
Yes, sir. We got Alex, me, Ryan, Doug, Nate.
Woo! Is Nate on this call?
He's not on this call, but
Nate fell asleep.
Yeah, Ryan said, "Bring your board shorts. Let's go surfing."
Man, Ryan, you gotta take it easy on me, man. Oh man, let's go. We're almost done.
Oh, this is the monthly time frame. I thought you were doing this on.
This is the monthly chat. No. This is the monthly chat. To tell you how powerful what I'm doing is, that's why we're on the monthly.
I like that.
Ooh. I gave everybody a heads up that something was about to happen. Some people came and some people missed the party. Well, if you missed the party, I'm sorry for your loss. Come on, Hussein, tell them you're sorry for the loss. I like the way you say that.
Look, man, if you're not tuning in, sorry for your loss. And if you think this is recorded for you, it's not.
Oh, man. Sorry for your loss, man.
Oh, my God. Sorry for your loss.
Now we have gotten to the end of the road. Now, guys, you guys saw what I was doing. I was marking up. What's wrong with you? Come on. Act right. Good. Now, I'm done marking up. I am done marking up. Now I'm going to get rid of this fib. This one. And I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to get rid of these vertical lines. And I'm going to get rid of these vertical lines. I know Doug is going to do something with what I'm just showing right now. I'm very certain about that. I know he's going to do something about this. Now, you all see my screen? You're almost wondering, what did this guy just do? I just marked up zones. Now, we are going to break it down. We're going to go to the lower time frame. But before we do that, before we do that, all right, I'm gonna do something. I like my chart looking extremely neat. Excuse me. Good, 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 good. Now we're gonna go down. Now I'm not gonna go to the weekly. I'm not going to the daily. I'm not going to the 4 hour. I'm going straight to the 1 hour chart. Guys, watch what's gonna happen. My screen looks a mess. I'm sure you all must be wondering, what did this guy just do? Is he crazy?
Double click the numbers, it'll auto fix it.
I should do what?
Double click the numbers on the right.
All right, good. Thank you. Now, you see this? I am not done. I'm almost done, but I'm not done just yet. I'm not done yet. I'm not done. Now, you see what I have on my screen, guys? I have marked up the chart. I marked it from the monthly. I marked this up on the monthly. But now, there's one more thing I'm going to do. I will now go, where's the current market? The current market is, before I go to the current market, I'm going to start from down here. I'm going to start from down here. Now, guys, you see this horizontal line here, this one's here, this one in the middle here, middle of my boxes. Those are Fib levels. Now, I'm going to take out my Fibonacci again. I'm going to pull it out. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw it from here all the way to here. Now, see this. Watch. I'm going to leave only my quarters now, the major quarters. That's the 0.25, the 0.5, the 0.75, and then the whole number 1. That's what I'm going to leave on my chart right now. You see that? Good. I'm going to take horizontal lines. Ryan Brown said 1 pair. I'm going to take horizontal lines. I'm going to put on all of these numbers. All of these numbers. All of these numbers. Wait till I'm done. Take this flip to the next level. Oh man. Look how beautiful the chart looks when I'm just watch. Something is about to go down. 1, 2. And then most of you all that lost trades on GBP, JPY today are going to see the reason why you lost those trades. Man. You see the power of Fibonacci?
Yo, drop some 7s. This is fire.
Dog is in the lab, just come out of the lab. Damn. Always in the lab. Oof. Damn. Oof. Something's Something is about to happen. Damn. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Before I continue, I want to give a shout out to the king of the Forex market. I call him the king. If you don't believe he's a king, you can argue with yourself. His name is Wright. Everything I know today in Forex, 95% of the things I know today, I learned it by just following him. Now, it's just like you following one pair. If you follow one pair, you will understand how the pair operates. How much more you following one master? Damn, you can serve 2, serve 1. Serve 1. Oh, shit. Serve 1. I'm going to stop very soon. I'm going to stop very soon because I'm not going to mark it all up to the beginning. Why? Because the market is actually within a particular range. Let me look for what the market is right now. Let me delete this. Where's the current market? Okay, good. Now you all see what I just marked? Now, you see what I just marked? Now I am going to go to, what time frame should I go to? Should I go to the 15 minutes? Should I go to the 15 minutes? Those of you that like, because let's go to the 15 minutes. Oh, ooh, I'm getting chills already. Now, guys, look at this. I'm going to start from, let me start from, where will I start from? Okay, good. Let me start from somewhere down here. To expand my, I'm going to zoom out so that you all can see it. Zoom out. Guys, this is the 15 minutes time frame. Can you see what the market is doing in these zones? Look at this. Can you see what the market is doing in these zones? Can you see that? Look at the market. Look at what the market is doing in all of these zones. You see this? Break, retest, did all of this, came all the way down. Look at this. Weak entry, sell, break, retest. You see all of this? Buy to the next zone. Look at this. In this zone. See that? Oh man, what's going on? How did you know this? You see that? You see that? You see what's happening on these places? On all these lines here? You see that? You see this? The market came out, break, retest. Oh my goodness. You see that? It came here, break, retest on this line to the next level. Where are we going to? Woo! Look at this. Reaction. The market reacting. Reaction. Look at what the market is doing. Reaction. Oh my word. What else? Oh, came all the way down. Look at that. Weak entry. You see this? Came back here. This is a strong zone. Reaction. Oh man, what happened? Look at this. Are you seeing all of this? Break. Let me just say 1 minute. What's this? How many pips? The market put you in 18 pips drawdown and all. Oh my goodness. What is going on right now? Look at this. Going up. Look at this. Break. Break. This is your retest. Whoosh. How many people down? Uh-oh. Too much. No problem. You get it. Look at that. Guys, don't be afraid of drawdown. It's part of the game. Look at what's happening. This is on the 15 minutes chart. Trust me, you don't want me to go to the 1 minute. Look at this. Break, retest to the next level. Are you seeing this? Look at what's doing on this line. Look at this. Retest. Come down. Let's continue. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at the reaction. Can you see the reaction off of these lines? Can you see the reaction off of these lines? Look down here. Remember, this number that falls in the middle of this my yellow box are Fib numbers. Look at this. Are you seeing that? I marked this up on the monthly time frame. That's to tell you how powerful it is. Look at that. Can you believe if you were studying one pair? Look at it's playing around. I want the market to break out the zone. Oh my goodness. Break, retest. Oh, snap. Hussein, at this point, I wanted to give people the opportunity to unmute themselves. Give them the opportunity to mute themselves. Damn, something just happened.
If you want to unmute yourself, raise your hand. Raise your hand, type in the chat box.
Can you see what I just showed you?
Oh, Ryan Brown. What's up, bro?
Yo, what's up, Trap King, man? I was watching it while I was driving. I'm actually picking up a prescription for my son right now, so I was able to while you were drawing it up, and sheesh, that's powerful, man.
Damn, man, can you believe? Oh man,
you're consolidating, all that area. You're trapping it, you're trapping that market and giving
that's
yourself
what's up.
Basically risk-free You know, risk-free, confident trading, and that's really
Oh,
what it's all about.
oh man, that's what's up. That's what's up, bro. That is what's up. Shit, just happened on my chart.
Yeah, that's dope.
Damn, somebody says unmute me. Hussein, somebody saying unmute me. Oluwaseun Ajayi says unmute me. Oluwaseun Ajayi says unmute me.
Yeah,
What?
I have like 6 people that want to be unmuted.
Uh-oh. They all want to talk? You all want to talk to the Trap King now? Oh, man. Oh, my
I
goodness.
don't know how to say your name, but you're unmuted.
Yeah, come on, man. Say your name. Tell me where you are at the moment, and then let's talk.
My name is Sheun Ajayi. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, Surulere.
Ooh, talk to me, brother.
How you doing, bro? This is like a miracle right now.
Mm.
Like I had to stay awake because I don't want to miss this for one. I needed to stay awake. And what I'm saying right now, this is wow. This is like amazing. How did it get involved, bro?
Come on, man. This is grinding. This is straight lab work. The only person, one of the people that can really understand what's happening right now on the chat, his name is Dog. His name is Dog because right now, what's happening right now is straight lab work. Aris is on this call. Aris, oh man. Guess what, guys? I am not even done. I am not done. I just showed you guys something. I am not done. But God, come on, talk to me. This is hard work. This is continuous grinding. I would like to talk to Aris, man. I want to talk to Aris. I want to talk to Aris.
All right, and then I have a few more people.
Ooh, let me talk to Aris. Let me talk to Aris first.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on?
Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing?
Man, I'm doing good, man. I'm loving the chart work, man. I see you've been putting in time and grinding and it's showing off, you know.
That's what's up, bro.
Man, nice clean reactions off these zones, man. This is next level, man. This is next level. I like it. This
is some next level stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. You mark up your charts once. You ain't got to mark them up again.
That's what's up, bro. Damn.
Yeah, man.
Once oh man, somebody wants to talk to me. Let me know what the people I want to talk to. You want to talk to the Trap King? Talk to the Trap King. The Trap King is here. Before I do the next stuff. What's this? Who's talking?
Yo.
Yeah, Kunle, what's up?
Yeah, what's up? So do you have the replay button?
Replay button. No. I need to renew my subscription on this. But go ahead.
So, like, this system is, I mean, it's all well and good. It's easy to see the break and retest if you see the future. Like, if you're trading in real time, you may not know what direction the market is going. And it may happen to you a few times and hit stop loss quite a bunch. Because you tried to trade this system before. And,
you tried to trade this system I'm showing you right now?
Well, it wasn't quarter theories, but it was a system where you mark up zones ahead
using Fibs.
Yes, using Fibs.
Using Fibs, the way I did it.
Orwan had one of his recordings where he did Fibs on Fibs, if you remember.
This is not Fibs on Fibs.
I know it's not. Okay. But it's basically the same system where you mark up your support and resistances ahead of time.
Trust me, if I show Fib on Fib, you'll know this is different. But go ahead.
Okay, so let's do a couple of examples like we're backtesting. You would find that some people, have struggled with finding the right direction to take the break and retest a couple of times.
Okay.
And then, it could get frustrating. Whilst you may have the zones now, but it may get frustrating if you see a break and retest and then hit stop loss and then you see another one you think is going in the upward direction and it goes in the other direction so we could go through a couple of examples, right? And then we'll see how many, actually hit.
Now, before we go through a couple of examples, I'm going to explain something to you, sir. Now, do you know reversal patterns of the market?
Yeah, head and shoulders, triangles, ascending, descending, wedges.
Now hold on, let's not go too far. Now head and shoulder, reversal patterns in the market. If you are looking at the market, for instance, there's a resistance of both. You want to see double top, triple top, head and shoulder patterns. And then if you are looking for the market at a support, you want to see an inverted head and shoulder, double bottom, triple bottoms. Those are reversal patterns in the market. Reversal patterns in the market. Now, whenever, for whatever reason, you see the market getting into any of the zones, all right? Now, depending if it's resistance, now you know you're looking for a double top, a triple top, or a head and shoulder pattern, all right? But then, you don't just look for the patterns. You also look for the candlestick reversal patterns. What are candlestick reversal patterns? If you are looking to sell from resistance, you are looking for a bearish engulfing. You are looking for, come on, man, now I'm lost. Which of them is an evening star? Is it the one up or down? Morning star, which one is up? Which one is down? I don't know. It confuses me. It confuses the shit out of me. But whichever star is up, that's what you're looking for. So you're looking for a bearish engulfing, all right? When the market gives you a bearish engulfing, when the market gives you a bearish engulfing, what does that tell you? It tells you that sellers are in the market. Now, if sellers are in the market, when the market gives you a bearish engulfing, what the market does next is chances are the market is going to go back and retest that bearish engulfing zone. Now, if the market retests that bearish engulfing zone, that is your signal. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take the money right there. That is your signal. So you're not just looking at it, oh, it's going, it's reacting. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to look for your reversal patterns. Look for your reversal pattern. But right now, guess what? That's why I told you I'm not even done yet. All right? Okay. I'm not even done right now. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to mute yourself out. Let me completely finish up. Then we'll have this. Then we'll have this conversation again.
There's still 2 more people.
All right, let them talk. Let them talk to me. Let them talk to me.
Iron Lady, you're unmuted. Iron Lady, are you there? No?
Yeah, okay. I'm here. Wow, this is my...
Hold on. I told you to change name. How is your name Iron Lady? Are you a superhero?
Yes, I am in the forest market.
Okay, so what do you want to say? Talk to me.
I'm not. This is mind blowing. This is really, really mind blowing. And I'm just like, we're grateful that you are, sharing this out, with us. You are not keeping it to yourself. You are sharing it out, and we are going to the next level. We are really just going to the next level. And I'll say thank you. Let's go.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Who next person?
Shola.
Hey. Yes, I am, bro. Thank you. Can you hear me?
That's what's up. I can hear you, bro.
Awesome. Man, T, as you do now. We know what we do. Let me not talk. Let me talk Nigerian language here. Anyway. I think this is simple enough, right? I like keeping things simple. I know that you also believe in keeping things simple as well. So yeah. I mean, depends on what your target is, from what I can see here. Even in this zone we are currently looking at now, it's a zone of upwards about 30 pips. That was also about 30 pips. So what are we talking about? If I just take the reaction of the middle line, I'm taking 30 pips each way. And that's roughly 60 pips off of this noise and nonsense that we are seeing here, which will be noise on the 1 hour or on a higher time frame. What you're showing us is true value, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Thank you. One more. All right, one more. Let's go.
Charles, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. What's up?
Yeah, Charles, from where?
Hey, Trop King, I'm in China, yeah? Chengdu, China.
China?
Ooh, yeah, what's up? Yeah.
China in the house?
Yeah, my first time here, boy.
Hussein, what's going on? You mean we have China in this house?
Yeah,
come on, talk to me, bro.
It's my first time on this call, and I was just actually following the Telegram page, and I saw you drop the Zoom, so I was like, hey, let me check what's up. And I think it's killing, man. I'm still following. Yeah, I'm still new in the game, and I actually traded this, and I think I'm getting that whole perspective. So, Charlie, big ups. Good job.
All right, thank you. Let's go ahead. Hussein, let's finish up now. Hold on. Now, this is for Kunle. Kunle, I want Kunle to watch. I've switched over to the 1 minute time frame right now. 1 minute. Do you see? I went to 1 minute. These are zones that we marked off the monthly. Now you can imagine what's going to happen on the 1 minute time frame. Guys, look at the reaction off of this line. Can you see this? So if you were stressing yourself, oh, I don't know what to do, you see the reaction of this line. Look at this. Look at the reaction of this line. Look at the reaction. Look at this. Look at the reaction of this line. You see all of this? You see all the reaction of this line? This. You see reactions? Come over here. Break. You see this? Retest. Are you seeing this? Let's go. Let's go. I'm just showing you something before I switch over to the 1 hour time frame, and then I'm going to show you something about traps. Damn. You see this? This is 1 minute. I went to 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's go. 1 minute time frame. Are you seeing the moment the market enters the zone? You see the reaction? You see all of this? 1 minute. What do you have here? Head and shoulders. Head, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Takes the market down. The market comes. Look. Man, I'm saying these people want me to go nuts. Just watch and see. If I do this, look at this head and shoulder pattern. This is on the 1 minute time. Are you kidding me? You mean on the 1 minute time frame? Head and shoulder. Look at this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout, retest, neckline. Let's go down. What are you talking about? Retest the neckline. Let's go down. What are you talking about? In a zone that you're expecting a reaction of? Is that what you're telling me right now? Let's go. Oh, look at this. I can't make this stuff. You mean this is the current market? You mean this is the current market? Damn. Oh, man. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. Now I'm going to go to my favorite chart, 1 hour. Now, let me show you guys something. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. This is the current market. See this? This is the current market. Look at this. What do we have here? For those people that trade traps with me, we have a trap candle here. This is a trap candle. If you trade traps with me, that is a trap candle. But guess what? Look at what the market did. When the market came down to this zone, it rejected, went back, and did all of this bullshit, and did all of this stuff, and then it broke out from the other side, gave me a retest, and then guess what? Where did the market go?
To the next.
They don't call me the trap king for no reason. I am the trap king. Now, for those people that send me private messages, this is the reason why I don't have time. When I tell you I don't have time, this is the reason. I do not have time. So I try as much as possible to do Zooms like this so that I can share my knowledge with everybody. And I try as much as possible to hop on Zoom call with my boy Hussein, where I have Ryan Brown, where I have Nate, where I have Dog. We do Zoom calls, London session, and then we talk about the market in general because of the free times we have. Other than that, we are trading. If we aren't trading, we are in the lab trying to make things happen. Guys, I cannot make this thing up. Would you believe me if I told you I see trap candle in this zone? Do you know what's going to happen? I will take it. I am done marking this chart for the year, the whole freaking year. I'm done marking this chart. I'm not marking this chart anymore. I am not marking this chart anymore. Guys, look at this. Hold on. Okay, they still think I'm crazy. Let's go back. That's the essence of back testing. Let's come from the top. All right. Let's come from somewhere. All right. Now, obviously, all right, if you are a trader and you have had experience in trading, the reason why I brought out trap candles is for people that are learning how to trade, for them to easily pick their own setups without having to stress themselves with all of this, because the forex market has a lot of stuffs, all right? But like Christopher, like the CEO says, Christopher Terry, keep it super simple. And that's what I'm doing for you guys. We're keeping it super simple, and that's why we came about the trap. But now I'm showing you something different. I'm showing you the other side, my other side of trading. This is my other side. I've just boxed up market structure for you using strict Fibonacci. And listen, for those guys that do not understand what top-down analysis is, remember I did it on the monthly time frame, the highest time frame that you will find. But then I went all the way down to 1 minute. Oh man, 1 minute. Look at this. Look at the reaction on this zone. Now, we have Kunle. Can you please unmute Kunle, please? I want to tell him something.
Kunle.
Yeah.
Kunle, good. Now watch. You see this zone here? The market came from down. It was going up. But look at this reaction here. You see this? It left the wick and it closed beneath. And guess what? The market fell. The market broke through this zone. Let me show you something.
So that's a potential losing trade, though.
Hold on. You're always faster than yourself. Hold on. You're faster than yourself. You're faster than your freaking self. Hold on. Hold on. Don't tell me it's a potential losing trade. I'm showing you something. I'm trying to show you something.
The only thing is, Trapting, a lot of beginners would lose that trade. So
yeah, because they don't understand reversal patterns. That is why.
Let me say why it will be, you know,
switch over to the line charts. Go ahead.
You can see the full head and shoulders now that the market is played out. At the first breakout, so is the first touch to the first touch to the zone is the first reaction, right? Then it breaks through, right? Once it breaks through and closes above, I set a buy limit right there.
Go ahead.
Because I don't know that the head and shoulders is going to form right there. So I set a buy limit, and obviously it falls through and then hits stop loss, if you get what I mean.
Okay. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Yes, so that's the reason why I'm saying that in the live market, right, that break and retest would have lost me some money in the live market.
Would have lost you some money.
Yeah.
All right, just a moment. Where was I? Where in the world? What did I just do? Hold on. I wanted to see something there. Where was I? Okay, here.
So I guess my question is how to avoid, fake outs, because I think that's what that is, really. Or how do I know when the market has gotten to the peak and then, identify the reversal pattern before it fully plays out, assuming that I'm looking to place a trade where you just marked up that rectangle there after the breakout.
Have you ever studied reversal patterns, sir?
Yes, I have.
You have? You sure?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm asking you that for a reason. Have you ever studied reversal patterns? Have you ever studied reversal patterns? Because if you have studied reversal patterns, all right.
I wish I had the replay so we could, chop it up and see how it plays out before it does. But
if you have reversal patterns, what I have shown you here, all right, are things that what I expect you to do as a trader is to take it, mark up your chart, go to the lab, do your back testing, because you know what? Because the forex market is a forex market.
You know what I gotta say? The thing is, you're not going to win every trade. So, yeah, you would have lost that trade, right? It formed the left shoulder and the head. No, you would have lost that trade because when it formed the head, it looked like a simple breakout retest. If you press the replay button and go to it, it looks like a simple breakout retest. But if you lost that trade, you would get in the next trade as a sell because you would see the head and shoulders. Does that make sense, Kunle?
Yeah, it does. It does.
So you're not going to win every trade. You can't expect to win every trade.
Yeah. Everybody wants to win every trade.
No. I guess my issue is after losing a trade, right? I just probably look for a new setup on another pair and just leave
Do
this
you
pair so that it
Hey,
doesn't seem like I'm
do you
reverse
trap?
trading.
What do I say? I say trade what you see, not what you
Think.
What you think? Yeah.
Trade what you see. Come on, man, do this. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with what's wrong with my sister? I really don't understand.
You're going too far back. That's why on the 1 minute it doesn't have enough data.
Oh snap! Okay. All right. Let me switch up. Let me do it on 5 minutes. Let me go to the 5 minutes. Let me go to the 5 minutes. Where was I? Where was I? Woosa. Okay, good. This is where I was. So you have for the 5 minutes and you don't have for the 1 minute? Come on. Fill out a place, man. What's wrong with you? Why did you stop here again?
It didn't
Oh,
even
man. I wanted to get here. That's what I'm looking for here. Why did you not get here? What's going on? Oh, I don't like that. All right.
15.
Anyways, 15. I want to do on 5 minutes. I know I want to do on 5 minutes. Something I'm looking for.
It's too much
All right.
data for the 5 minutes.
All right, good. So, 15 minutes. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom out real quick.
Yeah, that's the same thing actually. It broke out and then the retest his stop loss.
Let me zoom out real quick. Hold on.
If you go to the second spike.
Hold on. You're always faster than yourself, bro. Hold on.
Because I've backtested so much, so like I can see.
Listen. You are beginning to overthink. When you overthink, you have issues. Don't overthink. This you say you're going to set your buy limit. The market, has it shown you any reversal here? Any reversal pattern here? Has it shown you? Why are you taking the trade? You're setting a buy limit. Did the market show you any reversal? It didn't show you any reversal pattern. You don't have any business going in this trade.
But let me tell you why. So for example, right, just below in the zone below this yellow zone, you can see that break and retest that took that impulse up. That would have been a perfect trade, right?
Go ahead, I'm listening.
That would have been a perfect trade. So if I'd taken the trade in the yellow zone just before the impulse, it was perfect. Break, retest, and then take profit. Then I'm looking for another buy opportunity, right?
Kunle.
Yeah.
I keep saying you keep overthinking yourself. If you look at let me show you something on my chart. Then I'm going to mute you out so that you stop overthinking. All right? Now look at this. You see this yellow zone? You're telling me it's a perfect buy opportunity. But why is it a perfect buy opportunity? Do you know? You said perfect break and retest. You said that's a perfect break and retest. What you're telling me?
Yeah, just right there.
Hold on. Do you see any candlestick pattern, sir? No, you don't. Look at this. Bearish engulfing. What did I say? I said the market will come and retest. The market can give you a retest on this line. You would have sold this market here. Do you understand? Now, selling this market here, let's even count how many pips the market would have given you from here. Because that would have been your signal to sell this market. This is 9 pips. That would have been your signal because here, remember, this line here, just the way you have this red line, I should have put it here, but that's what this line also stands for here. All right? Now look at this. The bearish engulfing formed here. You are not going, oh, it's a line. He marked up a zone. I'm going to set a buy limit. I'm going to set a sell limit. No way. The only buy limit and sell limit you set when you are trapping like the Trap King, when you are trapping my traps. If you are trading on perfect market structure, you are not setting buy limits. You are not setting sell limits. You need to see your reversal patterns in the market. If you are this kind of trader that, okay, I'm trying to be very cautious. I do not want to lose the trade. I don't want to lose the trade. Then look for your reversal patterns. In this case, what do you have here? You have a bearish engulfing right on this zone. You're not going to take the trade off this bearish engulfing. You will wait for the retest of this bearish engulfing. Look at the retest here. Look at it. This would have been your entry. Down. Guess what? The market now did. It now did all of this. How giving you your money here? The market did all of this. Broke through this bearish engulfing. You see this? The market, you see what the market did? It broke through this bearish engulfing, gave you a retest on this next candle. This is the only reason why you should have been buying, because it has violated this. This was your reversal pattern here, and it left you with a bullish engulfing here.
These are your reversal patterns. Those are the things that are telling you take the trade, not because that's
Supply
going to
and
be best,
demand,
but
baby.
because the market has given you a sign. The market always gives you his hand. He always shows his hand, and when he
So
shows his
sorry,
hand,
you'd wait.
ladies,
You wait.
ladies and gentlemen, take it.
Yeah. So are you going to wait for that bullish candle to close before you take next that buy? Would you have
You
waited
mean
for
this?
the candle to close?
You
Yeah,
mean
yeah,
this?
that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
obviously. I would have waited for it to close.
After the
I won't
bull
just
candle. After
this
the bull,
one,
not the no, the bull candle after.
this
Yeah,
one
yeah,
here.
that one. Yeah, yeah, that one. That's the one that you wait for to close, right?
No, excuse me, pardon me. Sorry. I would have taken it on this next candle here after this one closes. This one here.
Okay. Okay.
After this one closes. That's what I would have taken it. Look at your retest candle, the next candle. The market presented another bullish engulfing. You know you're out of that place.
Also,
You're out
to
of the
add
trade.
to that, Ryan, are you still on the call? Leave it there. Leave it there, Chapting. I wanna point something out to Twinley. Ryan, can I unmute you real quick? All right, Ryan, isn't that one of your patterns right there? Exactly where he was talking about. Isn't that a bullish flag? I believe.
No,
I
it's
I was trying to mark my charts. They reset my trading view. My trade. Which can you circle it real quick?
Right there, right where he's at, right there.
Yeah, it looks like a bullish flag.
Yeah. See, so Twinley, that's another reason why you could have bought, because it broke up.
Okay, Schooler, you just also said flags. You talked about wedges. You talked about all of those things. You need to look at them. I would have entered the market. Why yet? The market is presenting patterns. Ryan, take over, talk.
Yeah, it's I was noticing it too on your first markup. Not just head and shoulders, but I personally would draw that a little bit different. Hussein, I would draw wick to wick.
Yeah, me too. This is Chapting. This is Chapting stream.
Oh, okay, yeah. Go wick to
the
go
top
up
wick.
with that top line on the lower right. Bring that lower right. No, the other side.
Yeah, that one. Bring that up. No, not that one. The other one. The other
side of the top.
Yeah, where the arrow is. Bring that up.
This one.
Yeah, right there.
Now
bring it
that
up on
to that bearish wick.
Right there. Perfect. You see the retest?
More of a sense like that. But yeah, I was noticing that, and these patterns are powerful. What you just created is just extra confirmation. It's absolutely incredible. You can, it's you just basically trap the market, and now you could put whatever kind of pattern confirmation. From high to low, it's game over.
You know what else I noticed? There could be a level right there. That is like these patterns. When you see a pattern at resistance like that, it's called accumulation. The market is accumulating itself, and then it just shoots up. I'm sure Ryan can agree to that.
Oh, absolutely. When the next Zoom I get on, guys, I'm going to show everyone first and foremost, and then just apply this stuff, man. This stuff right here is
waiting
powerful.
for Ryan's Zoom, actually.
And this stuff that Trap King just created is even more confirmation, and that's what we're all really aiming for, is to trade with comfort, because I know a lot of us more experienced people, we preach, don't stress out, don't overthink. And that comes with time, guys. We didn't get this way, overnight. It took probably loss after loss. I can speak from my personal experience, loss after loss after loss, to finally figure out that it wasn't my trading that was the problem. It was me that was the problem. My patience, my discipline, my understanding of how this market works, and being able to just sit there and just let it play out how it plays out. That's beautiful right there.
That's beautiful. Yeah, so I was looking at that while Trap King was explaining it, because supply and demand, where it broke through the bullish candle, but then I noticed the pattern, the bullish flag. So that was an easy trade, Kunle. You just have to break it down.
Mm-hmm.
Don't overthink it. Oh, let me unmute you, Ryan.
No, I want, at this point, is Doug still on this call? I want Doug to talk to me.
Doug?
Yeah, is he still on this call?
The golden boy.
Golden, the king. Where's the golden boy? Come on, talk to me. Pinky, where you at?
Golden boy, I unmuted you.
What's going on, you guys?
Ooh, my man.
My dog.
Dog, come on, talk to me, bro.
Oh, I mean, I'm amazed, and I appreciate you digging into this a little bit further than what Oren has kind of brought out of his head. So Oren has brought this to the table, but I can see that you've really sat down and studied it, and I knew that there was power in the fibs when you lay them out in this manner, and I've done it similar to this. One of my favorite ways to use the fibs is the very first pullback of a reversal. You can have extensions on your one fib all the way down, and these zones act similar to what you have just drawn up. It's just a different approach, and I really appreciate you, man. I mean, I need to rewatch the beginning because I was still at work, so I missed a couple things. But amazing, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Doug, I'll send you the recording, but
the recording. All right, now guys, listen up. Now, for a lot of people are asking the recording. Now, one of the reasons why I do not record, I do not like recording my Zooms, all right, is because it's always said that when the value of a thing is unknown, abuse is inevitable. When people see something, oh, it's coming to them for free, they do not appreciate it. That is the reason why I always want people to stay awake, stay woke, wait for the Zooms. Right now in Nigeria, it's almost 2 a.m., it's 1:45. I should be on my bed, I should be sleeping. But I'm up here trying to give you guys a source. But guess what? We have some other people that are on their bed sleeping. Lazy ass people sleeping that should be on this call. And guess what? They're going to ask for the recording.
Look at
what I'm now, what I'm going to do, all right? What I'm going to do with the recording is exclusive to me and my trading partner. Exclusive to me and my trading partners. When I mean my trading partners, they know themselves. All right, Hussein, we got Ryan Brown, we got Dog Tabor. Strictly exclusive to them. Then I'm going to put it on my YouTube page when the time is right. I'm going to send you all there to go and watch it, but I'll let you all know when that time is. So the truth is, if you hit Dog up and you ask Dog for the source, he's not going to give it to you. If you hit Ryan Brown asking for the source, he ain't going to give a shit. If you hit Hussein up, he's not giving you nothing. Nothing. So you guys just got to wait until I post it on YouTube and then for you guys to watch it. All right? So if you know you have any questions, and that's why I like doing it live, so that you guys can ask questions while we are still here, so that you don't watch the Zoom the record and you're like, okay, yeah, you start bugging me later. No. Do it while we're live. Do it while we're live. That's why we're here. All right.
By the way, Oren changed his schedule, so he's not on tonight. He's on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
All right. No worries. Then let's continue. For people chat, for those guys. So now look at this. I cannot make. You see what Ryan Brown just spotted out? I was looking at the bearish engulfing. I was looking at the immediately. I was looking at that. All I was trading was all this. But guess what? Ryan Brown saw this. And guess what? He wouldn't have been in the trade here. He would have been in the trade here. At this retest, this is where he would have been in the trade. Here, right here. So I would have been selling. As I'm done selling, I would have been buying. So as a matter of fact, it would have been in before me. But can you see this? But now look at what happened. The market moved to the next level. You see this? At this point, you don't have any business entering this trade. Why? Because the market has not given you any signal. But guess what? Man. Okay. But guess what? Look at this. You see this? See what the market is doing here? Look at this. 1, 2. Take the market down. Take the market down. 1, 2. Take the market down. That's your signal. Once it gives you the first leg, wait for the second leg. It gives you the second leg. That's your signal. Go take the market. That's your signal. Take the market. Take the freaking market. Excuse me. Take the market. That's what you should do. The market has to give you a signal before you trade. It has to give, okay, look at this. Look at here. Look at what happened there. At this line, The market presented what? A bearish engulfing. Okay, good. The moment the bearish engulfing comes, at that point, you know that this zone is a valid zone. Look at this. Now, let's assume you put your sell limit here. Let's see how many pips drawn on this market took here. 22 pips. And guess what? Let's assume you wanted to even take it down here. You have been 400 pips. So let's say you put a 10 pip stop loss. The market didn't get there because you wanted to get like 100 pips or thereabouts. But eventually the market gave you about 50 pips. Guys, 20 pips. I started adjusting, managing my trades. 25 pips. We said I started managing his trades. That's what's up. That is what's up. I just gave you. I gave you the source. I gave it to you. Oh man. Now let's go over to the 1 hour chart. Let's go over to the 1 hour chart. Now, this is the 1 hour chart. Now, what I want to say, as a trap trader, as a trap king, what I'm looking for is, I am looking for my traps. I am looking for my traps in these zones. I am looking for my traps in the zones. That's where I'm looking for my traps. In all of these zones, that's where I'm looking for my traps. That is where I am looking for my traps. In all of these zones, that's where I am looking for my traps. All of these zones. That's why I'm looking for my traps. It's powerful. You don't want to trade in the middle of nowhere. You want to trade. Why are you trading where you are trading? There has to be a reason. What's this trap? What's this trap? What's this trap? Listen, what's this trap? Look at this. Break, retest, take the market down. How many? 35 pips, take it and run. Take it and run. So guys, I have shown you how to market the charts using just Fibonacci, breaking down Fibs to the lowest possible level so that you guys can get it. All right. You see this? Look at this zone. This is all consolidation. Look at your breakout, retest, we go. All consolidation. Look at this, breakout, retest, we're going. We're going. We're going. You don't have any business selling here. We're going. What did Orange say? Orange says you need the market. The market has to react up the zones. You need to watch out for the reactions of the zones. You don't just trade because, I marked up this zone. Then it must do that. Could you imagine if while you're doing this, then the level scanner now calls a trade setup for you. And the level scanner tells you, set your buy limit here. What would you have done? Would you have hesitated? Come on, guys. You won't hesitate because guess what? You have already marked up the chart. All right? So at this point, I'm going to call a few people, all right, because I want to give them the opportunity to talk. Do I have April? April, are you on this call? April on this call. All right, April, talk to me.
Are you there, April? Nope, she's not there.
Oh, she stepped away. The people do I have Nina on this call? Nina Stevens? Do I have Nina on this call? Ooh.
I don't see Nina.
Oh, Nina's on this call. I'm sorry, Father.
Oh, this is the person that said one?
Oh, Nina on this call?
Oh,
she's the one. Unmute Nina.
I just did.
Nina, talk to me.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Very well. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Ooh.
I like
what
this
I just did.
I like this new system you got set up.
Ooh, that's what's up. That is what's up.
It's lit.
That's what's up. You see what I just did? I just decided to show people that all we do. Doc Taylor said it the other day. He said, if you do not know what the market wants to do next, trap the baby. Right. Trap the baby. Trap it. That's what Doc said. I trap. Who's saying levels? But what I've just shown you guys tonight, I've shown you a different side of me. A different side of me that you guys never knew existed. Only a few knew. All right. So I want you guys, for those people that are in market structure, that want to trade every other thing, all right, that want to trade everything, this is for you. It's simple enough. So imagine you taking this, then you hop on Ryan Brown's Zoom. You hop on. Hussein.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
Also, before you.
Yeah. Can you stop? Can you end up with it? Just you can stop the recording now, or we're just going to be talking.